That's pretty good. Alright, let's unscrew the cap right there and let's take a sip. So just do a taste test right here. I'm pretty excited, so let's try it out. Now let's take a dip. Let's do the final unboxing here. Oh. So let's just do a little test and see how it is. I'm gonna do a little review and tell you how it is. Okay, let's do this. Unboxing! Cocked out of another date. How does that happen? It makes the pain go away. It's delicious, like a really nice chewed piece of candy. And that's what I found out. I'm bleeding subscribers.